Hey, welcome back to Resilience Builds. My name is Jake and I'm here with my friend Alex.
Hello.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good. How are you guys doing today?
Oh, we're doing quite well because you brought us Tyler Franco's 2013 JDL Turbo FRS. Let's just take this all in for a moment. Woo-wee. Alrighty, Alex, you helped him put this engine together and this kit together. Can you give me some of the specs? What are we looking at?
So, like you said, it's a JDL Turbokit. It's got a GARRETT 2860 RS turbo, and then we put Mishimoto cooling fans on there just to save some room. So, you know, it's pretty tight in there with the turbo right there.
Yeah.
It's got a full exhaust, and that's really about it.
Awesome. What is the expected power output of this thing?
Well, right now it's on about 10 pounds of boost, so it should be around 250 to the tire.
250 to the tire. And based upon the drive that we just had, I would say it's definitely right in there. Man, so cool. And you helped, you helped with literally everything, like the turbo wrap, the turbo blanket, the install, putting it all together.
Put the whole thing together.
That's awesome.
Spent a couple days after work doing it.
There you go. What would you rate for somebody maybe looking to do this for their BRZ or FRS? This is a really quick way to add power. How difficult would you say this was?
Kit's not too difficult to install. You don't really have to make any modifications to anything.
Nice.
It just doesn't come with any instructions, so but it's pretty simple. You can see where everything goes.
Nice. Oh yeah. It's cool. Intake piping, and it's got an intercooler out front. Oh, let's see. There we go. Being sneaky in there. You definitely don't see it walking up to the car. Really, this car looks primarily completely stock. It's even got the stock rims and tires. He's blacked out some of the emblems, but outside of this little wing, this carbon wing, and the exhaust tips, there's nothing really giving this FRS away in terms of you just pulling up to next to somebody and hopefully frying them. Awesome. Well, we're gonna jump in the car, move on to that in-car review, and give you guys a little taste of this 2013 FRS. So today we are in a 2013 Toyota FRS with a JDL turbo kit. I'm here with my buddy Alex. You may remember him from my very short, quick 5-minute just external review of this car. This actually isn't our car. This is our buddy Tyler Franco's car, and he has graced us enough to let us drive it, even though he is on deployment. Sweet. Some quick things about it. JDL turbo kit, probably pushing around 250, 260 horse.
Yeah, right there. 10 pounds of boost.
10 pounds of boost. We have a cool JDL gives you a little like info OBD2 reader to show everything from like boost, your AFRs, coolant temp, oil temp. I'll show that here in a second. And this one is actually an automatic. Now I know a few of you probably just threw up in your mouth a little bit, but I'm going to try to persuade you on actually why this automatic is probably really okay and really awesome in this car especially. Hopefully you can hear all that turbo noise, because we definitely smell the fuel. Some other quick info. This thing's got 54,000 miles on it. If you've never driven one of these BRZs and these FRSs, you definitely sit right about 0 in the car. Lots of window space to look out, but you definitely feel hunkered in here. Not as low feeling as maybe a Miata, but it's nice. You just get the nice tack right in your face. It's the primary thing you get to see. Oh, it sounds nasty. Sounds angry. All right, you're on to some back roads now.
The Great White North. We drove all the way to Canada.
Yep, we are now in Canada. There's no speed limits. We're on paid toll roads. And we're just bouncing between Canada and Mexico now. Just completely bypassing America. So I'm now into second. very similar to the Evo I reviewed 2 weeks ago. The boost comes on strong but very linearly, which makes it really fun and much easier to gauge, like taking a corner like we just did. Unlike the Evo, I can go full throttle in this. And that is actually pretty fun because it, at least from my driving perspective, it really allows me to kind of see more what are the limits of this thing. So we got a little chicane action coming up. That'll be fun to head on through here. We'll test her out. Oh yeah, no, we need some more tire.
little sideways coming out.
Little sideways coming out of that turn.
There you go. Gotta find the limits.
We were, truth.
Those 215s just couldn't hang anymore.
Yeah, wider tires.
Yeah.
So now we're down to sixths, right at about 1500 RPM. Only a fifth, doing 55 miles an hour. This road definitely has some bumps that you can feel at speed, but it's not harsh. Suspension absorbs them up really quickly. This is stock suspension as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we got stock suspension. Nice and easy. Sweet. Well, hopefully you guys have gotten enough of us talking in cabin. We're gonna now give you some nice forward shots, give you an idea of just how quick this thing is, and have some fun through the S's. Give it a good little test fit. Oh yeah, there we go. Stuck it. Yeah, that
traction control flash and cut power a little bit, but kept it there.
Yeah. See how it comes out of this corner. Huge thanks to Tyler for letting us borrow his Toyota FRS. If you want to see more of this car, you can follow him on Instagram at Booty Groceries.